Welcome back. So the Genting Highlands Zipline's final stop is at Sky Avenue, and we are moving in the direction of the indoor theme park Skytropolis. At this lifestyle mall, there are plenty of places to buy, eat, and play. At Sky Avenue, which features more than 100 brands and stores, you can get everything from basic necessities to priceless jewelry, watches, shoes, gadgets, and more. In this mall, if you're lucky, you might catch some live performances. Enjoy the little show. Even an indoor zipline experience is available here. I advise trying this one if you're scared of heights but still want to try. Visit Skytropolis Indoor Park, which is a colorful wonderland with more than 20 unique attractions, for a break from the norm. Choose your degree of excitement, family, adventure, or thrill. Whatever level of excitement you want, Skytropolis has something to offer everyone. The traditional merry-go-rounds and bumper car rides are fun for kids. From 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day, Skytropolis is open. Friday to Sunday are the busiest days. Weekends have high rush hours, so it is best to avoid the crowds by going early on weekdays. We spend nearly 3 hours in the mall and indoor park here. So if you are planning to try these rides, take your return ticket from Genting Highlands accordingly. I have shared information about how to get here and what to expect at Genting Highlands in my previous video. Those who would like to know more, I will leave the link in the icard above. Keep watching until the very end to avoid missing any information. know in the comments if you enjoyed watching this video. We will be back soon to share our experience at Genting Sky Worlds. If you would like to see more of Malaysia's must-visit locations, I will leave the playlist in the icard above. Don't forget to check it out.